Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram story icon too big. So let's jump right in. In recent Instagram updates, some users have experienced the problem of the Instagram stories icon appearing larger than usual, which can be bothersome. And to address this issue, you can try the following steps. First, go to your settings. Go and clear cache and data of the Instagram app on your device. Now, in the app information of settings menu, locate the storage usage. You will see the option to clear cache and clear data. So tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data. So by following these steps, you may be able to resolve the issue of the larger Instagram stories icon. It is worth noting that clearing data will remove any personalized settings or login information, so you may need to log in again after performing these steps. Here is an alternative solution to address the issue of the larger Instagram stories icon. Download and install an older version of the Instagram. Start by uninstalling the current version of Instagram from your device. Open a web browser on your device and search for Instagram older versions. Look for a reliable website that offers older versions of Instagram. So scroll down on the website and select an older version of the Instagram that you would like to install. So tap on the download button to download the chosen version of the Instagram to your device. Once download is complete, follow the installation instruction to install the older version of the Instagram to your device. Please note that downloading and installing older version of apps may have limitations and may not always be compatible with the latest features or security updates. Additionally, be cautious when downloading apps from external sources and ensure that the website you choose is reputable and safe. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.